Our video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications coming from the site Efeyauknalytic.xyz. Efeyauknalytic.xyz. So this is the website that displays pretty intrusive web push notifications. It says that you need to click allow to confirm that you are not a robot. As you see, the website is also able to switch your browser into the full screen mode. And if you don't like this full screen mode, you need to press the escape button on your keyboard. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked, you will be forwarded to some other deceptive websites of a very bad reputation. So what to do if the allow button was clicked? Go to the menu, click on Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions select Notifications. Pay attention to the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site from the list. So basically, after you do that, the problem should be fixed. However, I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start checking the system with its help to make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats. Combo Cleaner will detect threats like adware, malware, browser hijackers, and so on. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.